First, you need to log in your SAP with the amount 000 and go to the transaction send. You need to load the package where you already installed. I already uploaded it because it takes a few minutes, so I already uploaded this here. CxLink App Suite Athenia 2023. Click on continue. We don't need anything here. Continue one more time. Continue one more time. We don't need add any modification. Click on no. Put the password. Click on OK, and that's all. The product is installing. It takes a few minutes, so I will pause this video and returning when it finishes. So we are here again. As you see, the add-on was imported. So click on finish, send, and the product is already installed. How we can know if the product is installed? Go to SPRO, and here you can see our CxLink App Suite by syntax. Now we know the product is already installed, so we will uninstall now. Same steps, go to the Saint. Now on the tab Uninstallable Components, we can see here LNKey AWS. Click on Start. OK. And the same. It takes a little of minute time. And I will back when it finishes. Okay, as you can see, the package is already delete. And not send. If we go again to the SPRO, now you can see the CxLink product. So that's all. This is how you can install and uninstall CxLink App Suite. See you in next videos. Bye.